dinner.
Yep. Oh shit, we don't got cutlery.
Hey, I'm having issues with the laundry. You think you can come help me out?
Oh yeah, sure.
Let's take a look at it. So, is there anything wrong with it?
You know, I thought this was going a different direction.
Huh? So, is there anything wrong with it?
I don't know, you got like this weird switch on it.